Today's how to be a real estate agent tip. It's not important what you think. Hey everybody, it's Gregory Martire, your local real estate mentor and coach, local realtor as well. So today's video is going to be all about, it's not important what you think. All right, let's get to it. So it's not important what you think. Now, that doesn't mean if your client, customer, friend, relative asks you for your opinion, of course you want to give them your opinion. Then it does matter what you think, but you don't want to be telling people what you think. If they ask for your opinion, of course, give them your opinion. But your opinion may not matter to them. So don't offer your opinion unless it's asked of you. So it doesn't matter what you think unless they ask you directly, but go easy on them. If somebody loves a house and you don't, you can give them your opinion, but take it easy on them a little bit. So remember, it matters what the customer thinks, the client thinks. Doesn't matter what you think. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that subscribe button. We put out a lot of epic content here every week, talking about some great tips on how to be successful in the real estate business. I'm Gregory Martire, local mentor and coach here in real estate land. Thanks for stopping out. See you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.